Meet Angela. She just purchased a beautiful new home. Although she's quite excited about her new place, she's not so thrilled over her bedroom. It reminds her a lot of an insane asylum. So she was thinking of adding some color to her accent wall. And that's where you and I come in. She's hiring our company to paint the wall. First, it's going to take some planning and measuring. Then we will need to find the area of the total wall by dividing it into separate shapes and identifying which part of the wall needs to be painted. Here we can divide the wall into a triangle and a rectangle. There are 2 windows and a chimney. All 3 form rectangles. We will need to find their measurements and areas, but we won't be including those measurements into our final numbers as they won't need to be painted. We measured 15 feet from the left side of the wall to the far right. This one measurement can serve as the length of the rectangle and the base of our triangle. It is about 10 feet from the floor to the base of the triangle. This would be the width of our rectangle. And if we measure from the floor to the top of the triangle, it's 20 feet. Now that we have our measurements, let's find the total area of our composite figure. To find the area of a triangle, we can simply use the equation A, which represents area, equals 1/2 times base times height. Oops, I think we made a mistake. We didn't find the height of the triangle. Is there any way that we could find the height of our triangle without having to pull out our measuring tape again? What clues can we use to help us? Well, we know that it's 20 feet from the floor to the apex or the top of a triangle, and it's 10 feet from the ground to the base of the triangle. So all we need to do is just find the difference. Simple math. 20 minus 10 is 10 feet. Remember, the base of the triangle is 15. Now that we have all of our measurements, let's solve for the area of the triangle. We can just plug in our values into the equation and solve. 10 times 15 is 150, and half of 150 is 75. So the area is 75 square feet. Perfect. Now let's find the area of the rectangle. We can use the equation A equals length times width, which is 15 times 10. And we'll get 150 square feet. The windows are both rectangles with the same measurements. 7 times 3 equals 21 square feet for both of them, which is easy. The chimney's length and width is 5 and 4. So the area is 20 square feet. Good. Now that we have our calculations, the area of each shape, we can find the total area by first combining the areas of the triangle and the rectangle. 75 plus 150 is 225 square feet. Now, let's combine the fixtures that we will not be painting, which are the windows and the chimney. Together, they make 62 square feet. Considering we don't need to paint those windows or the chimney, we simply going to subtract 62 from the total area of the wall to get 163 square feet. We now have a happy customers. Thank you guys so much for all of your hard work. And if you would like to know how many buckets of paint she would need to actually paint her wall, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification button so that you'll be able to see the next video. Thank you. You guys have a great day.